them in other videos, though. Oh, excuse me. Fuck. Sorry about that intro there. Anyways, hey guys, it's Skeleton here. Welcome back. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that burp is also going into the burping compilation as well. Sorry. But yeah, you will eventually see me, because why the hell not? Because, seriously. Anyways, speaking of, unboxing videos, you know how iDubbbz does it? iDubbbz do... You know what I'm saying, okay? Okay, Jesus Christ, I can't fucking talk. Ugh, fuck. Excuse me. But anyways, yeah. So, excuse me, move. Like, I mean, let me name off all. I just feel bad for him. I know, like, how he feels. It's sad. But, anyways, that's one thing why I need a new recording studio. And another reason why, oh, excuse me. I mean, this place is too fucking... Basically, guys, soon enough you will get to see my apartment. I mean, when I get my apartment, which is not in, like, after my graduation, because I have to move out when I graduate, which is, excuse me, 20s where, I forgot what I was gonna say, but, oh, fuck it anyways, excuse me, but yeah, some for the characters and some for me, you know. I mean, if you want to ask me questions, like, for other purposes, but just go with it anyways. Excuse me. For now, maybe, I mean, like, excuse me. Excuse me. But anyways, yeah, and plus I will get my phone. It's just not that right kind of thing to do. I mean, if I had like a video camera, I would definitely, excuse me, I would definitely use it to like, get used to it, because, you know, my friend changes his online names. But anyway, I don't know how that makes sense, but just go with it. And, excuse me. And I even use YouTube too. Excuse me. Are you serious? Excuse me. Excuse me. Fuck. But, it's just got a lot of good stuff. Excuse me. Ugh, fuck. And plus, in the Q&A, you're... Why do you burp in your videos all the time? If you guys do answer that, if you guys, fucking do, like, a question about that, I will just give you a simple answer right now. It's a problem I have, okay? I have a big-ass burping problem, okay? And it's not because I'm a fucking alcoholic. I mean, I'm not even an alcoholic. I'm not even at that age to drink yet. But, yeah, yeah, I think the video has gone on long enough. I think I might end it here so that way I won't talk your ear off for long enough so that way I can let you guys get going and probably just get back to what you guys are doing after this video is over. But yeah, once I move into it, yeah, I might do like a tour, what it looks like after I've decorated it and cleaned it up and stuff like that. You'll get to see that pretty soon. Also, more gaming videos will come out, more live streams will come out. Without all that said, it's Super Plushy Mario. Without all that, but now those 3 subscribers are gone, so now, yeah, I need more subscribers. So, but yeah, soon enough. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. And hey guys, this is Skeleton here, and what you just saw was a totally different video. Yeah, it's a video that I promised to make you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this 7-minute burping compilation. I know there were some like parts that that were taking so long to kind of like get to like the point where I start burping, but I hope you guys don't mind that, and sorry about that. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this compilation of me burping, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, stay cool.